How to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. So if you want to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now you just need to simply go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll all the way down and tap on log out, and you need to log out of your account. Once you've logged out, you need to go with the new phone and enter all of your details, like your mail, your everything, to the new phone. Once you enter your information to the new phone, then you'll get an option to log into your account with your Facebook. So make sure to log into your Facebook on your new phone. And if your Facebook and Instagram are connected with each other, then you don't need to enter your password on the new phone. You just need to simply tap on the login option. Once you tap on it, it will automatically log you into your new phone. So that's how you can log into your new phone from your old phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.